Welcome to part 2 of the video tutorial about the SWAPP, the Spotfire web application for Pipeline Pilot by Discngine. In this video, you will see how end users can benefit from the combination of Pipeline Pilot and Spotfire in an integrated user interface.
After connecting to the SWAPP application, end users can select protocols to execute from the menu bar on the top of the screen. Let's start with a simple protocol that will retrieve data from a file. After the execution of the protocol, the output contains the dataset to be injected into a new data table and also the commands to create a table plot. A single protocol can generate instructions to create both data and visualizations. This other example will compute molecular properties. The SWAPP generated the form automatically based on the protocol parameters. The computation of properties can be applied to the entire data table or limited to marked rows or filtered rows. The last example will apply a clustering algorithm to the dataset. After the execution, the clustering information is added, and a bar chart representing the size of the clusters is displayed automatically. The SWAPP panel can also be used to display content generated by Pipeline Pilot like text, images, charts or web links. Of course, end users can keep using Spotfire standard functionality to add content to the document. And marking synchronization can be activated for more interactivity.
In the following video, you will see how to design and register a Pipeline Pilot protocol for the SWAPP.